How did Frank's RedHot become the original buffalo wing sauce? Imagine biting into a crispy chicken wing coated in a tangy, spicy sauce that perfectly balances heat and flavor. That's the magic of buffalo wings, and the story behind their sauce is just as interesting. It all starts with Frank's RedHot, a hot sauce made from a blend of aged cayenne peppers, vinegar, garlic, and spices. This sauce was created way back in 1920 in a small town in New York State by Jacob Frank and Adam Estilet. They wanted a hot sauce with a good balance of heat and flavor, and Frank's RedHot fit the bill perfectly. Fast forward to 1960 for the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York. The owner, Teresa Bellissimo, was looking for a way to make her chicken wings more exciting. She decided to deep fry some leftover chicken wings and toss them in a mixture of melted butter and Frank's RedHot sauce. The result was a spicy, tangy coating that became an instant hit with her customers. Because Frank's RedHot was readily available and had the right flavor profile, it became the key ingredient in the very first buffalo wing recipe. In the years that followed, buffalo wings grew in popularity across New York and beyond. The sauce's moderate heat, about 450 Scoville heat units, and its vinegar-based tang made it the ideal pairing for fried chicken wings. It was not too overpowering but added just enough kick. Many restaurants in upstate New York, especially in Buffalo, started using Frank's RedHot as their go-to wing sauce. Today, Frank's RedHot is still considered the original buffalo wing sauce. Its connection to the invention of buffalo wings in Buffalo, New York, makes it a staple in the city's culinary scene. The sauce's popularity spread across the country, and many other brands tried to imitate it, but Frank's RedHot remains the classic choice. Over time, the brand expanded its line to include hotter versions and flavored sauces, but the original recipe continues to be the standard for authentic buffalo wings. For anyone making buffalo wings at home or in a restaurant in New York, using Frank's RedHot is almost a must. Its history and flavor profile make it the sauce that started it all. Whether you are in a cozy upstate pub or a lively Buffalo eatery, the sauce's roots are deeply tied to the city's food heritage. So next time you enjoy buffalo wings, remember that Frank's RedHot is the sauce that made them famous and helped shape New York's culinary scene.